Chonglong from BEKM Session 2.
Now I want to talk about customer perspective and engineering perspective. Based on the feedback from customers, they have three requirements. First is increase the number of pneumatic pump cylinders. Second is increase the rotational speed of the motor. And last one is adding a camera which can take in the photo for the final product of the Tart cell. Reference to the customer perspective, we upgrade the Tart cell making machine with increase the number of pneumatic pump cylinders from 1 into 2. We press the original motor to power window motor to increase the rotational speed of the conveyor belt system. Third is adding a camera to take the photo of the Tart cell. And lastly, we also adding a technology of IoT to the machine.
Hi, I'm Wamin Sheng. I would like to talk about the Industry 4.0 perspective for our project. From the dashboard, we can monitoring our machine. When sensor detected, the LED will turn red. The motor will stop for 5 seconds to do the stamping when sensor 1 and 2 detected. But just only one sensor detected from sensor 1 and 2, the motor will not stop because the stamping system is designed for 2 tasks in one time. The motor will stop again for 3 seconds to take photo when sensor 3 detected. Although lagging is happened, but monitoring system is working.
Assalamualaikum and hi. I am Muhammad Amiruddin bin Mazainon, B011710171. Today I would like to speak about standard and safety. For the standard and safety, it's from Standard and Research Institute of Nation, SIRIM. It's a third party which give right assurance that a product process or service conform to specified requirements. For the Standard International Organization of Standardization (ISO), like to define a standard as a document established by consensus and approved by recognized body that provide for common and repeated use, rules, guidelines, or characteristics for activities or their result, aimed at the achievement of the optimal degree of order in a given context. So for our product, they follow the standard. They include among the design requirement, test method, product specification, and performance requirement classification recommended. For this ISO, we just follow ISO 10377-2013, which provide practical guidance to supplier on assessing and managing the safety of consumer product, including the effective documentation of risk assessment and risk management to meet applicable requirements. The supplier need to identifying the hazard, assessing the risk, identifying and implementing risk reduction measure, identifying and reducing risk in the production process. So our product certificate from MCMC, is because it controlled by Raspberry Pi, which need connection to supply and control the whole system. So with this certification, guarantee that our product is safe to use. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Afiq Bezarani. Today I will talk about environment and sustainability factor. So for our system environmental factors, our conveyor system will not consume too much electrical power since it's using standard power windows instead of using high power DC motor. To increase efficiency and not to waste too much power, the two types will be stamped simultaneously by pneumatic cylinder at the same time. There are no sound pollution because we're using metal for our conveyor system, and the tart holder has a food grade plastic which can be recyclable. For our sustainability factors, our conveyor system can also be used for longer period of time with proper maintenance. Parts such as power window and pneumatic cylinder has high lifetime, so it can be used longer period of time. Since our conveyor part are quite modular, some crucial parts such as power windows and pneumatic cylinders can be easily swapped to a new one very easily if needed. IoT components such as Raspberry Pi and Arduino will last longer because it was placed inside a housing near the conveyor system and can be easily swapped to a new one if need require repair. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Fadli from 3BKM. I will explain about the cultural and societal factors for our project. We use English language for our report writing with standard format. Both figure and table have caption and were mentioned before it is displayed in the reports. The reference was in FKE style, so it is a very professional and standard writing. We use universal item for our project. The sprocket and the chain are from EX5 motorcycle, so it's very easy to get and not too expensive. For DC motor, we use power window motor Wira. It is a well-known item in our society because it is long-lasting, affordable, and have good torque. For motor driver and Raspberry Pi, we bought from Citron Marketplace. It is a local-based company based in Penang. So while planning for our project, we also managed to support our local business. Thank you.